We'll continue the study of three forms of strong verbs. Study the three forms of verbs. Present, past, and past participle. Past participle. Present, past, and past participle. Okay? Present, past, past participle. We'll continue, and we have here behold. 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 Again, we are changing inside the verb O, we are changing beheld. The past becomes beheld. Behold, beheld. And in the past participle, we have again beheld. Behold, beheld, beheld. Then we have another word here, bid. Normally bid goodbye to someone. Bid. Again for the past, you can either say bid or you can say I bade goodbye to my friends. Bade. Bid or bade, and actually you can say bid, bid for the present, past and past participle. But you can also change it by saying bid, bade and bidden. You can also say bid or I bidden. I bidden farewell to my friends. Now, bind. You bind up something. You bind your wound or bind the bundle, whatever. You bind something. Then you can say, I bound. Bound. Changing the vowel inside, I, you become bind, bound. O, you added. And for the past participle, again it is the same bound. The same bound. The past and the past participle is same. Next we have bite. You bite something, you bit. Bitten. You can say a dog came to bite me. You can say the street dog bit me. In the past participle you say I was bitten by a stray dog. So the word is bite. You should not get a bite from a dog. You should not get bite. The dog should not bite. Bit and bitten. The dog bit me. I was bitten by the dog. Then you have blow. The wind. You can see the wind blow or feel the wind blow. The wind blew. The wind blew. A strong wind has blown. Blow, blew, blown. Or you can say a balloon. You blow the balloon. Blow air into the balloon. You blew. You blew the balloon so big. Blow. So you have blow, blew, and you have blown. Next you have break. Break. You break something in the house. Say, Mama, you say you drop a cup. What happens to the cup? The cup or the vase breaks. Or you break a branch from the tree, break. Broke, you can say the cup is broken. Or the branch is broken. Broke. And when it is over, you'll say broken. The cup was broken. The branch from the tree, a branch was broken. So break, broke, and broken. You can say break, do not break your leg, don't jump about. Then you can say I broke my leg because I jumped. My leg is broken because I didn't listen to my mama. So break, broke, broke, and broken. Broken. Break, broke, and broken. So that is B. Now we have few words in C. Few words in C. What we're looking at? We're looking at the strong verbs. Okay? The three forms of strong verb. We have the first word in C, choose. So we'll change the vowel inside O, chose. Choose, chose, chosen. You can choose your own books. You can choose your own dress. Then you can say, I chose a nice book, or I chose a nice dress, or I chose a nice pair of shoes. Now, when you're finished in the past participle, you'll say chosen, chosen. I have chosen a nice dress or a nice book, whatever. Chosen. Choose, chose, chosen. Cling. The next word is cling. Little babies cling to their mothers. Clung. The baby was crying. What did the baby do? Baby clung. Clung. You change the I here. Cling, clung. And for the past also, the same sound, clung. Same spelling. Cling. The baby monkey was clinging to the mother. The baby monkey clung to the mother, or again clung for the past also. Come. You can come in. He came in. He had come. Okay? So come for the present, came for the past, and for the past participle, you will again say come. Come again, come only. Then you have crow. Crow. What is the crow? Crew, crowed. What is the cock crew? Cock crow, cock crew. Or you can also say cawed. Cock crowed. You can also say the same spelling here. Again crowed. Okay, now let's look at the three forms of strong verbs here. We are studying the three forms of verbs. We have already done some in the alphabet A. In B we have here present. Behold, beheld, again for the past, beheld. Bid, you bid goodbye to someone. It is bid for all the three forms, but here you can say bid, bade, and bidden. You had bidden goodbye to someone. Binding something, your wound. Bind your wound. The nurse bound up your wound. Again for the past, it is bound. Bite, you bade, you were You were bitten. You blew something, air into the balloon. You blew air into the balloon. The balloon is blown and it's full of air. Break, broke, broken. You break a branch, you broke a branch, it is broken. Now, choose. You're choosing something, you chose, chosen. Then cling, that means hold on. Cling, clung, for the past also clung. Come, came, for the past also come only. Finally, crow, crew or crowed, even for the past participle, it crowed. So we are going to look more forms of verbs, strong verbs, that is the past, present and participle. We will do some more.